You are going to love the 2021 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.